Hello guys, so today we are in Singapore, Terminal 1. So we have come to the Jewel and let me show you from different stages. So this is how it is. There is like a water pipe connection from above and you can see like the water, the shadow and all. So okay, we are gonna go from different levels. So I'll be showing you guys. So now guys, we will be seeing it from first floor. So quite epic, a little far. So we are gonna go to second floor. So second floor we have a nice waterfall which leads all the way from there to here, and this waterfall goes down, down and down all the way to over there. So we are gonna go to second floor and we're gonna check it out. So I'm currently climbing the stairs. So now, guys, from third floor, we get the view of this. It's quite epic. It's like a normal city which has a normal like rainfall over there. See, we have all the plants, basically they're natural. None of them are, how do I say, fake, it's all real. We are checking from fourth floor. I'm gonna find a proper view of this. Excuse me. So guys, this is from fourth floor. Guys, there's the sky train, if you can see it, and this is the view from fourth floor. Almost we have come from above. You see all these, all the natural plants, all of them are natural. We have a bridge over there, you can see that long thingy. So now we're gonna go to fifth floor. So from fifth floor is definitely a little high. So yeah. Guys, so this is what the view is from fifth floor. A nice view. All the way from bottom, from up to bottom, and a nice rainfall from up to bottom, going through there, goes down. So now we're gonna go to sixth floor. Sixth floor is quite high. Excuse me. It's quite high. But sixth floor is actually blocked. So yes guys, bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you.